Are you planning a long trip and want to bring the right kind of bag to make sure all your belongings are safe, secure, and organized? Packing for extended getaways can be challenging, and choosing the right type of travel bag is essential. Whether you need something spacious for plane trips or tough enough for adventurous hikes, we've got tips on finding the best bags that will suit any journey. Keep reading to learn more about our top picks. Exploring the world and embarking on adventures can be an incredibly rewarding experience. For your journey to go as smoothly as possible, you need to make sure that you have all the essential items for travel packed in the right type of bag. Choosing a quality travel bag is essential for making sure that your travels are safe, comfortable, and stress-free, so it's important to take some time to consider what kind of luggage best suits your needs. In this video, we will discuss why choosing the right travel bag is so important. We'll also provide tips on choosing a reliable piece of luggage that not only keeps you organized while traveling but also ensures everything gets where it needs to go safely and securely. When selecting a travel bag, there are many factors to consider. Firstly, top brands usually come with top quality, so if you want an item to last for a long time, make sure to check out the top reputable brands in the market. Also, best deals make sure that you not only get top items but also save some money in the process. Your comfort should also be a consideration when choosing your ideal item. Look for bags with straps and compartments that offer convenience during your travels. Material is important too. It should be able to withstand different weather conditions together related activities such as hiking or swimming. Finally, features like zippers or closure should have anti-theft features and also waterproof features depending on what type of bag you need. With all these factors combined, you can be sure to find the perfect travel bag within your budget and requirements. Travel bags for long trips. Number 1. Trolley bags. Planning a long vacation and want to make sure you're equipped with top quality luggage? Trolley bags are the perfect choice. They offer more convenience, space, comfort, and best of all, they don't cost you an arm and a leg. These wheeled pieces of luggage come in various sizes and materials, so it's easy to find one that fits your needs. Some top trolley bag brands worth checking out include Bricks, Ricardo Beverly Hills, Kenneth Cole Reaction, Victorinox, Travel Pro Max Light 5 and VIP Traveler Deluxe Luggage, each offering top product features at the best deals. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a 2-week adventure overseas, purchasing the right trolley bag for your vacation will improve your traveling experience tremendously. Number 2. Laptop bags. When it comes to traveling long distances, laptop bags are a great way to keep your laptop and other items conveniently organized. Compared to traditional travel bags with laptop compartments, laptop bags provide a dedicated space specifically designed to carry your laptop so you know it's secure and will not get damaged. With laptop bags, there's also less of the hassle associated with packing and unpacking since you can simply pack your laptop bag in one go for keeping everything together. However, there are a few downsides to using laptop bags for long trips. Firstly, they tend to be smaller than traditional travel bags, and if you need to pack more than just your laptop, then laptop bag might not be ideal for your journey. But don't take our word for it, explore some of the top laptop bag recommendations for long trips like Daymaker's convertible backpack, which features extra storage space and padded straps that make carrying heavy loads much easier. Number 3. Business tour bag. When it comes to travel, the importance of the right bag cannot be overstated. Business travel bags, specifically designed for long trips and business travel, offer a unique solution for those who are on the road for extended periods of time. Business travel bags come with both advantages and disadvantages. They tend to have an organized layout to keep you multitaskers organized, but often lack space for souvenirs from your journey. Fortunately, travel experts have made their recommendations on which travel bags are best for your business trips. These top bag selections prioritize comfort and safety while giving travelers enough room to bring the essentials they need along with them on their journeys. Next time you're planning a trip that requires spending extended amounts of time away traveling away from home, make sure you equip yourself with a suitable travel bag specifically designed for itinerant tycoons like yourself. Number 4. Rolling backpacks. Rolling backpacks are quickly becoming the travel bag of choice for many adventurers. Suitable for everything from a weekend break to a several-month-long voyage, these special kind of backpacks come in many styles and sizes. With the capacity to carry heavy loads and to be gently propelled along with minimal effort, rolling backpacks make it easier for travelers to take all their vital belongings with them. It is also important to consider the pros and cons of using one on long trips, as sometimes their wheels can become clogged or damaged due to rough ground, so researching top rolling backpack recommendations ahead of time can be helpful. Whichever style you choose, investing in a good quality rolling backpack could prove invaluable when it comes to long trips. Number 5. Carry-on bags. When traveling for extended periods of time, choosing the right travel bag is an important decision. Carry-on bags are a great option for long trips, especially if you plan on skipping extra baggage fees. Carry-on travel bags usually come in the form of suitcase-style rollers or duffel bags and offer a variety of advantages. They generally hold multiple days' worth of clothes, are easily stored under seat and in overhead compartments, and can travel with you throughout your entire journey. On the other hand, they have limits on size and weight that could be problematic when stuffing them with all the travel necessities such as electronics, toiletries, books, and more. With this in mind, it's best to weigh up all needs before committing to a fully loaded travel bag. The best carry-on travel bags for long trips will accommodate both fashion and practicality needs while looking stylish too. After considering all the varied styles and sizes of travel bags mentioned above, you should now have a clearer idea of what is right for you. Long trips require careful planning and packing to ensure the best possible outcome. With suitable trolley bags, laptop bags, business tour bags, rolling backpacks, and carry-on bags, there's something in store for everyone no matter which kind of traveler you are. An adequate bag can be the make or break of your entire trip experience. So while pondering over when to book your next vacation journey, why not spend some time shopping for the perfect travel bag? There's a plethora of options available online and in-store that guarantee reasonable prices. So go ahead and pick the one that suits best for your individual needs. The comfort and convenience it provides will certainly make the travel experience easier and more enjoyable. Safe journeys.